Okay, so I forgot to hit record. So you just saw me add the last of the water for this. I'm doing a different thing where I'm measuring this by weight. I've tried to make focaccia before and it didn't work out for me, and I'm wondering if it's because of this. So I'm gonna attempt to do weight. So this is 625 grams of flour, just regular old flour. And I have a sticky note on the cap. It's very official around here. And this is 482 grams of water. I'm gonna quick mix this up with my hands, and then I'm going to let this rest, and then I'm gonna add the yeast and the salt, and those are the only ingredients in this focaccia recipe. So I'm gonna point you back at the flour and water. Dough has been proofing for about 30 minutes, and now I'm going to add my yeast and my salt, and I'm gonna mix that really quickly, and then I'm gonna add some olive oil, and then we start the most labor-intensive part of this focaccia, which is where you have to kind of knead it every 20 minutes for an hour. That's it. So yeast and salt, and then we're gonna start kneading. So let's get to it. So this is the final fold for this focaccia bread. Now, since we've done all of this, we're gonna let it sit overnight so that it can proof. It's just gonna sit on the countertop covered overnight, and we'll come back to it in the morning. I'm gonna do this last fold, and then I'm gonna cover it up a little bit better with some extra saran wrap so that it can sit overnight.